Here is how you get the slab revolver in ultrakill. So first in 1-1 at this part of the level, break the glass above. Now press the button up here. Now in 1-2 there is a broken wall. Now broke this wall. Now kill the very cancerous rodent. Now down here, there is the second button. Now in 1-3 you have to get the 2 skulls and a secret room will open. Now get rid of Agoy and Tundra. Now after defeating them the door will open showing the next button. Now in 1- for go over here and press the button. And there you have it folks, hope this tutorial helped.